So, hi everyone, I am Shirjan Villanueva, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science 12, and I am here to complete my backlog in report. So, my part is writing the rationale. A rationale is one of the requirements in writing a research project. So, sa research, syempre, kailangan natin buuin and itackle kung ano ba talaga yung nire-research natin. Such as, ginagawa ito usually ng senior high and ng college. So, kapag may topic tayong pinili, need natin itong saliksikin, need natin itong aralin mabuti. Kung saan ba, paano ba ito nagsimula, at saka kung paano ito mabubuo. So, what is rationale? A rationale is when you are asked to give the reasoning or justification for an action or a choice you make. There is a focus on why in rationale. Why you choose to do or something to do with this topic or with this study. So, sinasabi doon na bakit natin kailangan tong aralin and bakit natin to kailangan saliksikin talaga ng malalim upang malaman natin kung ano ba talaga yung pinagmulan nun at kung bakit at ano yung mga nilalaman nito. So, here's the 10 tips that we can help us kung paano ba, kung ano ang sisimulan, kung paano to sisimulan, at kung ano yung step by step na kailangan gawin. Such as sa mga researchers, di ba? May chapters dito, 1 and 2 and 3 and so on and so forth. So, after ng ilang chapters na pagdadaanan is may survey tayong gagawin which is either papasagutan natin through papers or through online via G-form, kung makita ba natin kung ano talaga yung parang rate or parang kung ano yung tingin ng ibang tao naman sa nire-research natin na kailangan din nating malaman kasi gagawa natin siya ng data at all. So, here's the 10 tips with writing rationale.